is Anya.
And I'm Anya's Oma.
And today we really want to make a Christmas cake. That is my grandmother's recipe. A like.
I like, a comment, and subscribe.
Yay! I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl, add in 3 large eggs, 250 grams of melted butter, 250 grams of muscovado sugar, a pinch of salt, 300 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon ground mix spice, 350 grams of fruit mincemeat, 500 grams of dried mixed fruit. Mix until well combined. Pour your mixture into a prepared pan and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 2.5 to 3 hours. Once your cake comes out of the oven, allow it to sit for 15 minutes. Then pour over 4 tablespoons of brandy. Allow your cake to sit in its tin until it's cooled completely. In a bowl with 1.5 cups of almond flour, sift in 1.5 cups of icing sugar and mix until well combined. Add in 2 teaspoons almond essence and 2 teaspoons rose essence. Add in 1 egg white and mix until a shaky dough forms. Place your mixture onto a flat surface and knead a few times. Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge until you want to use it. Use your Marzipan at room temperature. Roll out into the thickness that you want. Drape it over the Christmas cake and trim off the edges. Roll out a white piece of fondant, also known as plastic icing. Place a little bit of water on your marzipan before adding your white fondant. And drape it over your Christmas cake. I only wanted to cover the top part of the Christmas cake, but you can cover the whole thing if you want. Trim off the excess. My grandmother dyed the white fondant red. And made little balls. I dyed my white fondant green. And I made little leaves by using a heart stencil and then cutting that in half. And then with a toothpick I created a line in the middle and then 3 lines on either side extending from that one line. Place a little bit of water on the white fondant before adding your decorations. And ta-da! You have a quick and easy Christmas cake. Enjoy!